Welcome, kindergarten, to Reading with Mr. Jacobs. Today we're going to read a book called A book of pattern play by Brian Cleary. Pattern, a repeating arrangement of numbers, colors, shapes, or other items. A pattern shows repeating in a certain type of way. That helps you so you know what's next, like A, B, A, B, A. It's sort of an arrangement of colors, shapes, or things in a way that is predictable, as in this row of things. Hmm. See the colors? Green, red, gold, then green, red, gold, green, red. Once you catch on, you can guess exactly what's ahead. You see, there's even order, a type of a design that's found among the children who are waiting in line. First a girl, and then a boy, then a girl, then a boy, and then the pattern just continues here until you reach the end. The pattern on this kitchen floor is white, then black, then white. If this design is followed, then the floor will turn out right. Patterns also can be found in numbers. Take a look. Each page of the number grows by one as you read through this book. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You see a pattern here? It goes from 1 to 2, then 3. It's all becoming clear. See these numbers? 2, 4, 6, then 8, 10, 12, 14. Try to guess which numbers next, just based on what you've seen. The pattern has us count by twos, so it would follow then that 16 would be next in line. Shall we try once again? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You've just counted by 2. Start with 1, then 3, then 5, and follow that with 7. The number 9 is what comes next. Then you've guessed right. 11. Let's count. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. You can count by 2s or 4s, by 5s or 10s or 20s. This pattern knows as skip counting. Do you remember how to skip count? Let's skip count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We've just skip counted by 10. So try it with some pennies. Ooh. Patterns are found everywhere, in cards, on yards, on a dress, and knowing them will help you start a pattern of success. So, what is a pattern? Do you know? Do you know what is a pattern? The end. Oh, look at how many points we've earned. Good job reading. We're complete for today. Thank you.